In this activity, we will demonstrate the refraction of light and how we can make the coin disappear. For this activity, we need water, empty glass, and a coin. Keep the coin below the glass. Put some water in the glass. As we pour water in the glass, we observe that the coin disappears. If we lift the glass, you can see the coin is still there. This happens because of refraction of light. The phenomenon of bending of light at the interface of two media is commonly known as refraction of light. It occurs because the speed of light is different in different medium. When the coin is under the glass with water, the light from the coin has to travel from air where the coin is to the glass and then inside the water. When we pour water in the glass, the refractive index of glass and water combined together becomes much higher than the refractive index of air. So the light coming from the coin completely bends around the coin and hence we cannot see the coin.